What are ions, cations, and anions? Firstly, let me teach you why atom is neutral particle, even though it contains positive charges and negative charges. Well, consider an hydrogen atom. If you count number of protons in it, you will get one electron and one proton. I write proton is equal to positive 1. Remember that protons are positive charged particles. When you count electron in hydrogen atom, you will get one electron. I write electron is equal to -1. Remember that electron is equal to negative charge particle. Let me do here a little math. We know that positive 1 and -1 cancel out each other, so net charge becomes 0. You can say that positive and negative charges neutralize themselves. So hydrogen atom is neutral particle. Now consider a carbon atom. If you count number of proton and electron in carbon atom, you will get that number of proton is equal to positive 6 and number of electron is equal to -6. Thus, positive 6 and -6 cancel out each other. Hence, carbon atom is neutral particle. Therefore, we can say that atom is electrically neutral because it has equal number of proton and electrons. Now, what are ions? Well, consider an atom of sodium. If you count total number of electron and proton, you will get proton is equal to positive 11 and electron is equal to -11. Now, we get from previous slide that they both cancel out each other and we get a neutral particle. When you provide a sufficient energy, you will get sodium lose 1 electron. Now, if I count the total number of electron and proton in sodium atom, I will get proton is equal to positive 11 and electron is equal to -10 because sodium atom lose 1 electron. Now, there is positive 11 and -10 is equal to positive 1. Net charge is positive 1. So now sodium is a charged particle. Secondly, consider a fluorine atom. There are 9 protons and 9 electrons in a single atom of fluorine. We know that positive 9 and -9 cancel out each other and net charge is 0 on fluorine atom. Now consider that fluorine atom gain this electron lost by sodium atom. Initially, there were 9 proton and 9 electron, and now there are 10 electron and net charge is -1. So, net charge on fluorine atom is -1. It is now a charged particle. A charged particle, either positive or negative, is called an ion. Let me repeat it in chemistry. A charged particle, either positive or negative, is called an ion. So, when sodium atom lose one electron, it becomes positively charged particle. We call it sodium ion. When fluorine atom gain one electron, it becomes negatively charged particle. And fluorine atom, we call it fluorine ion. From this example, we also learned that ion may be positive or negative. Positive ions are called cations and negative ions are called anions. Sodium ion is called cation and fluorine ion is called anion. Remember that atom may lose or gain 1, 2 or more electron depending on its valency and ionization energy. To summarize my lecture, we learned about atom is neutral particle because if we have equal number of proton and equal number of electron. Secondly, we study when neutral atom lose one electron, it become positively charged and called cation, and when it gain electron, it become negative charge and called anion. In this way, my lecture is complete. Thanks for watching my video and also like and subscribe my channel.